Hello friends, today we are starting one more video. So today we are going to explore one more Google products in the range. So for this, friends, let's get started. This is basically will help you in your project works, in your research works. So you just have to go to Google and type on it Google Scholar. Friends, you have seen the first thing which has appeared is Google Scholar. So once I click on it, a new page will open up which is about Google Scholar. So the advantages, it gives you the advantage of learning about what other researchers are doing or the whole lot of data on the topic for which you are looking for. So the topic could be anything of your interest, and you just type the word and it gives you n number of options available all over the world. So you don't have to think about a minute. So if it's your project work or research work, or you're doing your thesis, your review of literature, Google Scholar is openly available, freely available to use. You just have to type your word which you are looking for. So suppose my research is going on the migrant workers. So I click on this migrant workers, and once I go on this, the Google Scholar gives me all the amount of research which has been conducted all over the world from researchers in every part of the country, world, on migrant workers. And it gives me all the options, whether it is research papers, articles, journal papers, books. So you can see this is the whole book, Globalizing Care Economies and Migrant Workers, Explorations in Global Care Chains, Home Economics. There are PDFs available all for free. You don't have to subscribe. You don't have to download anything. There's no need for a software. So friends, let's just click on this. And once I click on the PDF opens up. So you can see it also provides me the details. United Nations Expert Group Meeting on International Migration and Development in the Arab Region. This is the title, this is the name of the author, it gives me the date, the other details, whatever I'm looking for. So the advantage is it gives you the whole paper is available. You can read the paper, review the paper, use the content, and of course, cite the author. Give due recognition to the author who has actually done so much of research. And here is the whole paper available, 20 pages. So this is just one of it. The advantage is Google Scholar gives you all number of options, and this is, we are just friends on the first page. If you see, there are n number of pages all on your research on the keyword which we were looking for, that was migrant workers. Whereas if you want to be more specific, you can just type the word migrant workers in India, and once you do that, then your research becomes more specific. So if you're looking for a more specific research, then it has again the options for all the papers on migrant workers in India, and there are again a list of PDFs available from all different journals, which are, all of these are open access. You are not going to pay anything. These PDFs are available all for free. So you can go read about these, explore, and do all your research. Now friends, today in this video, I will teach you one more thing, and that is very interesting part. That will make your research and project work much more easier. So till now, you can actually see the title and you can actually go and read about the paper. This is the thing which you have learned in today. But one more thing is, there are times when you are supposed to also quote. You're also supposed to write a list of references. References is actually the list of things which you have done. So, list of the things which you have actually done. So what you have to do is, do you see these two quotes? So just click on this. So once I click on these quotes, it gives me the citation, all the details of this paper. So these are the name of the authors, then the year in which publication was done, then this is the title of the paper, then it gives me the title of the journal, issue. It also gives me the page numbers. So the whole citation is ready. You don't have to do anything. You just have to choose whichever style you're going with, MLA, APA, Chicago, Harvard. So whichever style you are going in, or if you want this to be a part of your EndNote, or this to be part of your bibliography, or if you want to just copy it in your list of references, just click on it. It is selected, press Ctrl C, and then go to your Word and document, just paste it. So it makes all your work of citation quickly done. You don't have to do anything for it. So friends, I hope you must have liked this information. So since I am using API, select this, I press Ctrl C and I go to my Google Word document and I just paste it. This is how I create my list of references much easily, friends. So today research has become much more easier than the times it used to be. More than that, you can also mark as star. So once it is marked as star, it becomes part of my library now. So friends, suppose we select one more of this as part of my library. So both of them are the advantages. The next time I am referring, I don't have to again type all these. I will straight away go to my library. Friends, see, here is the library option. And once I click, the both papers are here. So next time when I continue with my research, I just have to click on it and my library will show me the documents which I referred. Again, I can always get back to them. I don't have to save them anywhere in the world. They will always be there automatically. And once my work is done, I can just send them to trash. Or I can also have, if my researchers are going on different topics, I can have labels. So this would be part of one folder in my library. Some other research which I am doing, that can be part of another folder. And likewise, my research continues. I'm sure, friends, you must have liked all this information which I've shared. So today we have learned about Google Scholar. We have learned about easy way to cite add references and to add things to your own library. So friends, do share, do comment, do tell me, and do subscribe and do share. Do tell me what all things you might are interested to learn. I will post more such videos. Keep learning, keep enjoying. Take care. Bye bye, friends.